सवाल किया था कि आराध्या मेकअप की तरफ ध्यान देती है, तो मैंने कहा कि बिल्कुल नहीं, बहुत छोटी है. I said, how can you even ask me this question? मगर I'll have to share this with the world. So all this time that I've been working and I've been getting ready for my endorsements, जो भी होगा, whatever my professional work, and it hasn't been film, so it's been mainly endorsements and appearances. So even on my travels, I have been getting ready in my suite. तो मैं दूसरे कमरे में जाके तैयार नहीं होती हूँ, मैं उसी कमरे में where Aradhya will be around, so I'm still there. I'm there to be there with her, for her, attend to her, entertain her, and all of that while I'm getting ready. And at the same time, when I leave, I tell her I'm going to office. So for her, I'm going to office, getting ready. That kind of goes with the turf. So I think it's interesting, she believes this is part of my tool, all of this, whether it's a hair dryer, whether it's products or getting ready in makeup, and she associates that with my office bag. So that kind of works for me so far. You have it on record now. तो पता नहीं कितने सालों बाद अब कभी उनको दिखाएंगे. But this is the way it's been so far, and that's the way I validated. But I admit that very recently, and literally I'll say post the Miss World honor, actually just after that, which is, so she's 3 years and 1 month, right? Around nearly 1 month, was when the first time she said, "What you doing?" And I was cleaning off my makeup. And I said, "I'm cleaning my face." And I was shocked that she knew the word makeup. She said, "No, you're taking off your makeup." Like, oh my God, she's got on. So yeah, she's growing up. She's got on to the world. So far, there is no experimenting with my makeup, but she's aware. And I think girls will be girls. So before you know it, they're growing up and they're aware. So that's that.
Yeah, and I must say